Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Terabyte 3D optical wired USB mouse. I have brought it from Amazon.in, and here as you can see, this is the back side. You can see the barcode, the QCIA code. You can scan it on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is very tight and nicely packed in thick polythene so that water and dust contents may not damage the product, as you can see. And here you can see this is written Amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode, and here you can see it is written Amazon.in. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my pair of scissors and now I will be cutting through it. As you can see, the MRP of the mouse is 219, but I got a discount of 64% and it came at a price of 79 INR. And now I am cutting through it and it is almost done, as you can see. And now I am opening it, and here as you can see, this is the bubbly foam case so that any damage to the product may not occur during seepage. And here as you can see, inside the pouch there is the mouse. And now I am going to take it out, and nothing more inside the packing, almost empty. And here you can see this is the mouse. This is the optical mouse, Terabyte optical mouse, as you can see it. And now as you can see, it is also very nice and very beautiful. This is the Terabyte optical mouse. On the top here it is written Vintage V36B, and on this side there are 6 elements. You can run it on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. You can also run it on Mac OS X 10.5 or later, or on Linux kernel 2.6 or later. And you can see nice packing. And here on the back side there are key features. It has ergonomic design, enhanced scrolling cursor, wide compatibility, and here there is a barcode, as you can see it. And here you can see the total details about the product. There is written Vintage TV 36B. And here now I am going to cut it out. I am going to cut the box, and here I have taken on a pair of scissors and now I am cutting it through. As you can see, it is also nicely and tightly packed. And now this is the mouse, as you can see inside the box. The cable is black in color, as you can see it. And now I am going to take out the mouse. As you can see, the mouse is also packed in thin polythene, and here the mouse is out. As you can see, it is also black in color. Now as you can see, this is the optical mouse, and this is the scroll wheel. I am moving through it, and this is the right click and this is the left click, as you can see. And this is the back side, and it is the laser sensor. As you can see, it has advanced optical technology for optical tracking for smoother and more accurate mousing, as you can see it. And this is a USB cable. It is long and black in color. The cable length is 90 centimeter, and I am unwrapping it, as you can see. And this is the USB, as you can see, and the cable is also very long, as you can see. And here this is the mouse, and this is the USB cable. On the top of the mouse it is written Terabyte, and here I am plugging the USB in my laptop. And here as you can see, I am moving it to see if the mouse is precise and it is very accurate or not, as you can see it. So to check it, as you can see it, and here on the mouse you can see the various color of lights are emitting out, purple and blue. And now here I am moving it, as you can see it, to check and to test. As you can see the cursor, it is moving very nice, and here it is right click, and here this is the left click. I am clicking, as you can see both the clicks, right and the left click simultaneously. and this is very good. The mouse is very fine, very nice and very accurate. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.